Hi there, thanks for tuning in. So this video is the first of many where I'm going to break down every single item in an income statement and hopefully bring some clarity to the totality of it. So we're going to go line by line and explain what all these values actually mean. And we're going to start in the very top line, which is revenue. And funnily enough, revenue can be referred to as the top line of a company, or in some annual reports, you will see companies call revenue their net sales. But what does revenue actually mean? Well, revenue by definition is the total amount of money generated by the sale of the goods and services related to the primary operations of a given business. That is to say, if I'm a company that sells cars and I sell 10 cars for $10,000 each, then my revenue will be $100,000 and my primary operation is selling cars. However, some companies make some extra cash on the side through operations that aren't necessarily their primary operations. And you may see this listed in an income statement as a line right below called other revenue. The addition of revenues plus other revenue will equal to your total revenue, which may be another line in an income statement. If you want to know what a company recognizes as revenue and it is a public company, then you can find exactly what they consider revenue in their annual filings. They may also break down their revenue by their different operations or sectors that they serve. Thus, they'll give you an idea of what percentage of the revenues each sector contributes to and what the sum of that is. You may also see revenue referred to as net sales, and net sales is simply the total of gross sales minus any refunds or rebates that may have happened. So if I sold 10 cars for $10,000 each, but I had to refund one completely, then my net sales are $90,000, my gross sales are $100,000. But let's grab a concrete example for this. Let's look at the 2021 fiscal year report for Starbucks. In that report, they explain that their revenue is what they sell in their official company-owned stores and also their licensed stores. So in the report, they give a breakdown of how much revenue each of those two segments has made and what percentage of the total revenue each of those two segments has. They also explain that they have other sources of revenue, such as the sales of Starbucks branded products in other stores and some royalty and licensing deals. So this means that if you go to the supermarket and buy a bag of coffee with a Starbucks logo in it, it'll actually be counted in their other revenue, while if you buy a coffee directly from a Starbucks store, it will be in the regular revenue line. So that's it for this video, but I highly suggest you check out the next videos in the series because we'll be breaking down the entire income sheet. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know when new videos are released. With that said, I thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment if you want to know anything more about revenue or if there's anything in particular you want me to mention or cover. And with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.